Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make the chart for the mole ratios lab using Google Sheets. So this chart is going to have temperature change on the y-axis and volume of hypochlorite on the x-axis. And what you'll find is that the graph will have two linear sections, one with a positive slope where our change in temperature is increasing, and one region with a negative slope where the change in temperature is decreasing. And the tricky bit is that we need two lines of best fit, one for the region with a positive slope and another for the region with a negative slope. So what I've got to do is put my x values, which are my volumes, in the first column, but I've kind of modified this a little bit. The volume where I get the greatest temperature change, I've repeated. So there's two lots of that entry. In the second column, I'm going to put my change in temperature data for the positively sloped region. So that's where the change in temperature is increasing, and I've got to make sure they align with the volumes. And then in the third row, or third column, sorry, I'm going to put my changes in temperature where they are decreasing, and again they're going to line up with the correct volume. So now when I select all three columns and go insert chart, it looks how it's meant to look. So I like to get rid of these unnecessary titles, and then we can work on the rest. So in the customize option, what I'm going to do is open up series, and I'm going to scroll down and select trend line, and there are my two trend lines. Now my graph looks almost okay now. There is one issue though, it doesn't have a y-axis title. So let's see if we can add that. So we go chart axes and titles, and it doesn't look like I can add it from in here. So what I will do now is right click, and then I go chart axis and titles, and I'm going to want a vertical axis title, and there it is, and I can just put that in now. Temperature change Celsius, and everything looks good. And in Google Sheets, all I do to get my graph out in a usable format is I click on the three little dots in the corner here, and then I go download, and I'm going to download it as a PDF. And there is my chart as a PDF. Got my axis titles, yep, and then got my two lines of best fit, and everything looks really nice. So that's how you do it, guys. All right, hope that was helpful. See ya.